So hi everyone, to all the plant lovers around the globe. Good afternoon. It's Chinky and welcome to Foxtail Ferns are perennial evergreens that boast luscious, fluffy stems of pine needle-like leaves, giving them a plush appearance. So in reality, they are not ferns, as they are multiplied from seeds and produce no spores. The fern reference likely comes from the clumpy way this plant grows, which resembles a fern. At one point, it was classified as member of the lily family, but it has been since reassigned and is no longer part of the lily family. How to take care of a foxtail fern. So we have to prune back yellowing stems on the plant as needed for a tidy appearance and to encourage new growth. So let's talk about now the soil requirement for this plant. Foxtail fern isn't too picky when it comes to soil. Well-draining soil is required to prevent the plants from being in standing water that can cause root rot, but otherwise it is tolerant of most soil types. Let's now move on to the light requirement. Foxtail ferns need partial sun and shade. They can handle full sun in the morning, but not the direct heat of the afternoon. When you put your plant indoors, give it bright but indirect light. If it doesn't get enough light, the foxtail fern may turn yellow. So plant your foxtail fern in a lightly shaded area, particularly avoiding hot afternoon sun in the hottest zones. So now let's talk about the water requirements. The foxtail fern benefits from a thorough watering, but be sure to let the top 3 inches of the soil to dry out completely in between watering sessions. So check the soil if it's dry, and that's the time you water your foxtail fern. When you're ready to water, do so thoroughly and allow the excess to drain out to avoid root rot. So this plant enjoys moist soil but never soggy. So now let's talk about the fertilizer. So you just simply look at the leaves. If the leaves are turning yellow or it's pale yellow, that means it's time for you to give them their fertilizer. So you can simply use a complete fertilizer or a slow release fertilizer. There's a lot in the market. Just follow the instructions. Make sure you do not over fertilize your foxtail fern. So right now I don't have to fertilize them because as you can see, all their leaves are super green and very healthy. So that's it for my vlog this afternoon. Wishing you everyone a beautiful day ahead. I'll see you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!